Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still expecting this to go up and make a wave Y. I think this is an ABC of wave Y, which I still think is likely eventually going to take out these previous highs. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that this is a wave A of wave Y. I think this is a wave B of wave Y, and that makes this a wave 1. This right here would be a possible wave 2, and it is likely that we are already in a wave 3 of that wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up. I think that we probably are due for a bigger correction than this, but when you're in a wave 3, you have to keep in mind that even if you expect to see a bigger correction, wave 3s are the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so it definitely is possible that it does just keep on trending up. I think it's probably more likely that it will go down to at least a 38% fib before it actually does go up, but definitely keep in mind that wave 3s often just keep on trending. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci from here to here, because if this move up really is going to end up being a correction to this move down like a wave A, a wave B, then likely it will make 3 waves up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Then it will start a pretty nice move to the downside for the wave C. So I would be keeping a close eye, especially on the 61 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I think there's a good chance this is a wave A. I think that we have a wave B in here someplace, and I think that we probably are going to drift up a little more for wave C, maybe make our way up to this Fibonacci level. Today is FOMC, it's non-farm payroll today, so it seems like a really good day for possibly a really nice turn to the downside for a wave C. Now, I would be a little bit cautious about shorting this because, like I was just mentioning on the higher time frames, wave 3s are often the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and if we really are in a wave 3 on the daily, weekly, monthly, then there's also a chance that this just keeps on blasting up and just keeps on making those higher highs, higher lows. So definitely be careful about sorting it. I would probably wait for a Fibonacci bounce and a breaker structure to the downside in order to get short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.